Today we're making beef and broccoli. This is a straightforward recipe that can be done different ways, but today we'll be keeping it as simple as possible. Let's get cooking. Start by slicing 7 peeled carrots. Then trim and cut 2 heads of broccoli. We'll want to make these relatively small. Next, we'll cut our beef into thin slices. We're using about 1 pound of flat iron today, but you can also use other cuts of beef. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then add about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, a half teaspoon of white pepper, then mix it all together. For the sauce, we'll prepare 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. If you like your beef and broccoli with a thicker sauce, then be sure to add more cornstarch and scale this up. In a pot with hot water, we'll blanch your broccoli. You can also do that with the carrots or par cook them with garlic in a pan. On a pan set to high heat, we'll cook our beef. Make sure to continuously mix. We can either combine this all together or gradually add our veggies. Adding some of our sauce helps bring everything together. This recipe does have a bit less sauce than other recipes, so if you want more of a gravy or sauce with your beef and broccoli, be sure to scale up the sauce and also contribute by adding more cornstarch. To serve, each meal will get some rice and broccoli beef. This makes for a great lunch or dinner and has a great balance of veggies, protein, and carbs. Let me know how it goes down in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.